however that is, 400 seconds. Okay, and the chips, guys, it's really simple. You just upgrade your chips as needed. Okay, I don't think I have enough. It says 1047. I don't think I have enough for that. Nope. But see, as you level up, you get more credits. Okay, and when you mine a block and you do the captcha, you get more credits and more sat. But guys, it's really important is the XP. Recharge your energy in order to mine. See, this is 24 hashes. You build up your hashes by upgrading your chips. Okay, so this is really cool, guys. It's simple. Very, very, very simple. The only thing I wish they had more here of is the history. Nowhere do I see like withdraw history. Okay, you can only withdraw to Faucet Hub. Okay, all the other ones aren't available. Okay, I guess they were available at some point, but not no more. But guys, Faucet Hub is awesome because it goes straight to Faucet Hub. Okay, you have to have 1,000. Okay, minimum is 1,000 right here. 357. I just did a withdrawal like a day and a half ago, maybe, or just a day ago. So it's like 1,000 per day, guys. Now this is really cool because the XP you can do this by yourself. Okay, I mean, yeah, they have referrals, and you get percentage of how much you get. Okay, they got the banners here. But guys, check this site out because it's very simple. You put on your phone, you just keep that open and just click it. Okay, every time you click on the cool, it gives you 1 XP. Every time you click on energy, it gives you 1 XP. So you can level up quickly. Okay, I mean, not too quickly, but it's a legit way to get Bitcoin. Okay, guys, look this site up. It's very simple. Shop, you can buy other stuff. Look at all the items you can find in inventory. It can be used to upgrade your chips. Are you sure you want to purchase this? Okay, so you could save up to buy items to upgrade your chips. Can be used to upgrade your chips. Alright, so check this out, guys. I'll put the link in the description, and you guys definitely should get started with this Febbit because it's legit working, paying in Bitcoin. Okay, so till my next video, have a go. Don't forget to keep level up. Experience, experience, experience. More experience, the higher level, the higher the higher the payouts.